We interrupt your regular scheduled serial drama, The Folly of Merlin, to bring you amazing news!
That's right, Forge. We, the wonderfully wicked Weasley twins, would like to welcome our watchers to witness...
Gred, enough alliteration, my whimsically witty, weirdly wacky...
Forge! We can go on like this forever.
Ah, true, my wise wizard. Or at least until we use up all the W words in the dictionary.
Welcome, one and all, to the new Weasley's Wizarding Wheezes product line. We have many new prank-happy products for your practical joking needs. We have a new conglomerate of confounding confectionaries to continue our canary cream line, including the Chihuahua chips and catnip cakes.
And to continue our transfiguration treats, we also have positively pleasant penguin pasties and fantastically frivolous ferret fruities.
Lovingly dedicated to our blonde ferret friend,
whom we shall not name for legal purposes.
For a non-transfigurative but still edible treat, we have the Pufferbelly Peppermints and the Puckerpuss Puree.
Why not try our new patented wigworms? Give your friends brightly coloured wigs of hair.
Or dreamsicles, small chocolates that can give off the wild wacky dreams throughout the night.
Don't forget You Know Poo, the constipation sensation that's gripping the nation.
We also have a special offer this week only, decoy detonators. Buy one, get a screaming yo-yo for only a bit less than you expected.
And the truth tart, Gred, makes your friends spit out random secrets they may be keeping.
Cussing quills inspires you to get those essays done for class as soon as you can, because if you sit idle too long, it may slip in a curse word here and there. Can be a fun time to loan one to a friend, or maybe a Quidditch rival. Get your spot on that Quidditch field with just a smidgen of subterfuge. On sale this week for 50% off.
And last but certainly not least, if you're a woman looking for some long-lasting snog time.
And is also not our baby sister.
Right, Greg. If you're a woman who is not Ginny Weasley, just apply some of our new makeup line to your lips and lay a snog on the person of your choice and witness the power of luscious lip locker lipstick. Comes in a variety of colours for every makeup look. Only a minimal amount of glue. Come
on down to Weasley's Wizarding Wheezes at number 93 Diagon Alley in London and tell us you heard about us on the Wizarding Wireless and get a 10% discount on your total sale price.
And if that's not enough for you, if you tell us you're using your products on a certain Hogwarts caretaker, you'll get an additional 5% discount. You can't get a better deal than this. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. Prank happy. You've been listening to the Sir General Dominic Bean Show. These words were brought to you by NinjaNerd, the sneakiest of nerds, performed by General Beans, the generalist of beans, and Sir Dominic, the sirest of Dominics.
That was pretty cute. I like that. We have 1 minute before the next time zone goes in. There's the notification of the 1 minute warning. Just turn that volume down a little bit.